Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to tell you when is the release date for World of Warcraft The War Within coming. But before I continue with the video, if you're interested in Shopify, you can get it for only $1 your first month, so if you want that, click the link in the description. So if we were to Google when it's coming out, so we are sure that it's coming out this year, 2024, but we don't know exactly when. Some are speculating between June and September this year. Some are saying like in August, etc. So we don't know the exact date, but it's going to be this year, before December. As you can see, this one is only on or before December 2024. But again, there is no confirmed release date yet, like official release date. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.